Hello and welcome to my studio journal. Now back in 2022, I started to redesign my home studio, shifting from software to hardware for the first time. What began as a few videos for some curious students soon became an ongoing unfiltered record. Okay, so once again, I'm not going to put on my mic or anything for this. This isn't really studio gear. What this is just something for, well, to make things look better in my studio here. This is simply a charger. That's all it is a cell phone charger. Because right now what I'm doing is I'm taking up the same charger I got with the phone. I'm taking it up and down and up and down and up and down the stairs all the time, which is driving me nuts. So I figured if I had this in my office, in my studio here, this has a long enough cord that this should be able to be set up. It said it's like 5 or 6 feet. So I should be able to have this on my desk and have a charger for upstairs and downstairs. And this should work out pretty well. So the next thing to do is to actually try and set it up, plug it in, see if I can drag it around all the cords in the desk here. I kind of did that wrong, didn't I? But anyhow, this should be, I'm thinking it's a longer cord than what I got right now. Anyhow, so, all right. So I'm going to go and plug this in and see if I can get this set up and see if this actually works. If you'd like to follow the full journey, check out my online studio journal linked in the description. Until next time, I'm just a music teacher having fun. Catch you on the next one.